Okay, so we're looking at mixed exercise 8 from the first year core textbooks. That's on binomial expansion. We're on question 17. So we've got some brackets to expand, and then we've just got this unknown coefficient of x. So let's get the binomial expansion formula up. Let's get my screen up. Okay, so I'm doing 2 plus px to the power of 5. So for us, right, well, actually, tell you what, let's just, because it doesn't ask for the full expansion, it just asks for x cubed. So if you want to, you can go through your, so that would be your constant, that would be your x term, that would be your x squared term. But obviously it's going to be much quicker if we can just go to the x cubed term. So the x cubed will be 5 choose 3, 5 because that's the power, and this number here will always be the same as the power of b, or x in our case. So when there's a 2 there, it's the power of 2. So it'll be 5 choose 3. The total power is 5. So if I want x to the power of 3, the 2 is going to be to the power of 2. Okay, and obviously that's just a lot quicker than having to go through all the other terms that we really don't need. Where I'm just going to need to be really careful is here. That's where mistakes are likely to creep in, because that p is going to get cubed as well. So it's going to be 5 choose 3, which is 10 times 2 squared, so times 4, so that's going to be 40. And then if I lose the brackets, it's p cubed x cubed, and they'll be quite harsh on that. So if you don't have the p cubed there, they're sort of not going to give you marks for getting close. So the coefficient of x cubed is, let's figure it out. The coefficient of x cubed is the 40p cubed. So they tell me that the coefficient of x cubed equals 135. So make sure you write that without the x cubed in. So p cubed is 135 over 40. So 27 over 8. So p is the cube root of that. So cube root of 27 over the cube root of 8. Okay, job done. And then find the value of the coefficient of x to the power of 4. Okay, so again, we can just go straight to the x to the power of 4 term. It's going to save quite a lot of hassle. Okay, so my x to the power of 4. So it's going to be 5 choose 4. The 2 is going to be to the power of 1, and the px, well, actually I know what p is, don't I? But I've written it now, so I'll leave it like that. Okay, so, oh, go away. So that's going to be 5 choose 4 times 2, and then p is 3 over 2. So, and again, it's this bit. I just want to be careful of that 3 over 2 needs to get raised to the power of 4. So it's going to be 5 choose 4 times 2, and then times 3 over 2, and then that's, oh, scrolling right down to my calculator for some reason. Okay, so times 3 over 2, and that is all to the power of 4. Okay, so I am getting that. So I'm getting that term as 405 over 8 x to the power of 4. But the question was, what's the coefficient? So I do need to write that as a separate answer without the x to the power of 4. I'm just going to check that because I think I might type something wrong in at the end there. Okay, let's see. I think that's the same. Let's just check. 50.625, yeah, very good.